the concept called as Make in India concept, the concept called as startup concept, right? Whenever we hear the Modi speaks about the startup concept or Make in India concept. We have been hearing this particular concept only from past 2 years from the Honorable Prime Minister. But the startup concept, whatever it is there presently in the market, or Make in India concept, whatever is there in the market, it has been dreamt by our chairman long before. Okay, there are various instances where our own students are being incorporated in the JJ Ventures. Like we have 1947 restaurant, we have basket option, we have a stock market institute, where it is an idea which is being given by the students, where it has been incorporated by our honorable chairman, and it will be a dream come for our students who have been doing the particular ventures. Today I am going to talk about the BCom course. Okay, so sir and ma'am spoke about the BBA program which is offered under the JJ banner of CMS. I am going to talk about the BCom course which is offered under the banner of CS, School of Commerce Studies under JJ banner. How different we are, that is, basically everybody wants to do a particular course called as the Bachelor of Commerce or Bachelor of Administration or Bachelor of Science, whatever it is there. How different we are going to be when compared to a Bachelor Commerce program which is offered with an other institute or another organization. Take an example. You know about Shell Petrol Bank, right? How many of you heard about Shell Petrol Bank? Okay. Why we go to Shell Petrol Bank? Because the extra mile what we get. Yes, sir. So in Jain University, the BCom course, whatever we are giving or whatever it is being given to you also gives an extra value-added program. Not only the bachelor certificate or the BCom certificate we won't give you, we will give you also the extra mile in form of value-added program which is there. If you see the entire structure of BCom course which is designed under the Department of Commerce, the BCom program is basically divided in 3 categories. What it is called as BCom in General Management, then we have the BCom in Professional program, then we have BCom in Honors program. Those students who want to pursue their career in professional way, take an example, it may be Chartered Accountant, Company Secretary, or we have the professional bodies like international professional bodies like ACCA, CIMA or CMA. We have a platform where we have created and we motivate the students to pursue your course in professional way. Okay, take an example. If you have seen about the recent CPT result or the recent CA result, the top 20 ranks, whatever all over India it has been declared, one among them will be a Jain College students. Recently we got 20th rank in Company Secretary. We have been ranked, last year we got first rank in the All India IPC result which was declared by Indian Institute of Chartered Institute of Accounting. Okay, where the professional students, those students who want to pursue their career in professional. Take an example, if you want to pursue the Chartered Accountant program in India, we have 3 levels. One is at CPT level, next we have IPCC level, then we have the final program, final examination what has to be taken care. Okay, in Jain University, we provide a platform where you can pursue BCom along with your professional knowledge, professional course called a Chartered Accountant, where the students have been trained up to clear the entrance level of CPT. We give you coaching for your IPCC level, then we help you to pursue your 3-year practical training of articleship, and then you can become a Chartered Accountant. In the same way, we have Company Secretaries program, where we have an entrance level, that is intermediate level, executive level, and then we have a professional level, where we give a platform for the students to pursue their career, not only the BCom, but also the additional professional career, whatever they want to pursue. If you talk about the Honors BCom program, whatever we have, like we have BCom Honors program, where we have MOU which has been signed or accredited with ACCA, professional body in UK, where the total BCom program, whatever we have designed in such a way that the entire ACCA program, whatever, the entire course, whatever it is there, it has been incorporated into general BCom course. Okay, if you want to pursue your ACCA professional body under UK banner, it will take around 16 papers which have to be pursued by you, and it has to be cleared. But the entire 16 paper has been incorporated in the general BCom program, where the first 6 papers has been exempted once you clear our Jain University examination. Okay, the remaining papers or the remaining whatever it is there, it will be, the coaching will be given to you, and you can easily pursue your professional body of ACCA or CIMA along with the general BCom, whatever you complete within 3 years of your program. Then we have for the normal people, general BCom program, we have various levels. Take an example, if you are interested in jewelry designing, we have a program with jewelry design. If you are interested in entrepreneurship, we have a program in entrepreneurship. If you are interested in HR skills, we have a BCom with under HR skills. If you are interested in capital markets, we have a program with capital markets. It all depends upon the interest level, whatever you have. Whether you want to be a professional body, whether you want to pursue a normal BCom, or whether you want to pursue an honors program. In Jain University campus in Jainagar 9th block, we give the students a practical exposure. Okay, we have various practical exposure programs. Like we have the corporate expo where the students have been given an idea about how to incorporate or how to start a particular business. Students come up with their own ideas. They do the research, survey, whatever it has been done, and then they start a exposure a particular thing. Take an example. The last year we had a concept called as real estate business, where students were given a particular place. Take an example, it was Bangalore, IT hub, or it was given as an Hyderabad, or it was given a New Delhi place. The students have done the research on a particular place, and they came up with an plan on how the real estate is going to be executed in a particular place, or how they can do their particular business activity in a particular case. So where student gets a practical exposure of not only learning, that is the classroom learning or bookish learning, they even get practical exposure of how to start a business, how it can be managed, and how it can be executed. In the same level, we have various programs, like we have an Ignite event which is coming up in the Friday, where it is a social body, international body, where we are incorporated with them, which is called as Enactus. Enactus is an international organization which promotes entrepreneurship skills among the students. Okay, entrepreneurship skills among the students. It promotes entrepreneurship among the students where presently we, the students of Jain College students in the Jainagar 9th block, they are working with the communities where they are teaching the community how they can employ themselves. That is self-employment knowledge has been created to them. Our students are working with various communities, like one of our students are working in Tumkur in Bangalore, where they have identified a particular village where they had an employment problem. Okay. They have identified a particular village and they came out with an idea of manufacturing the cloth bags. Okay, students have taught them how to manufacture a particular cloth bag, where they can procure the raw material, how it can be sold in the market. And today, after 1 year of the service, whatever our students have provided, the entire village is able to have an does not have an employment problem. The women in that particular village are self-employed. They are not dependent on their husbands for their livelihood. Whatever the income they earn is been able for them to manage their livelihoods. They don't depend on anyone. So we create entrepreneurship not only among the students, even in the general sense also. In the present, presently Ignite event is happening in our campus, where students have been given or asked to work with a community. They have to promote entrepreneurship skills among the students or among the community. They come out with an idea which has been executed in the market. If you talk about the programs, whatever it is offered in Jain College campus, everything is listed in the brochure. Okay. The programs, whatever we will take an example, we have NSS for the 15 consecutive years. We have been ranked and we have been given the best institution award from the NSS event. Then we have NSS National Service Scheme, Corporate Expo. We have national level fest called the Samyoga and Samanvaya. We have Corporate Expo. Then we have Enactus event. Then we have Passion Club at Jain University, where students are identified their passion, and we ask the students to execute their passion. Take an example, some may be interested in particular field, but they may be forced to do that particular event. Take an example, we have 300 students who are registered for Chartered Accountant program. Out of that, at least 10% of the students have been forced by the parents to pursue this Chartered Accountant program. But at the stage level or stage 2, we identify the passion level and we just shifted from one unit to another unit. Last year there was one student who was much more interested in the banking program, but he was forced to take a CA program because his father was a Chartered Accountant. But at the end of the day, now he is pursuing his BCom program in banking program, where he is able to do his passion, whatever passion he had. We had a student who was interested in doing journalism. Okay, where we asked him what is, we identified his passion. Based upon his passion, now he is doing a journalism course along with the BCom program, whatever it is happening at the Jain University. The history, whatever we have in Jain University 9th block campus is there. You know about the history, whatever it is there. Everything is there in the brochure. If you have any details or any doubts regarding that particular program, it may be a professional program or BCom honors program, you can contact us, which the number which has been specified over here. Maki Agrawal sir is there, where you can contact him for the further details of other courses under. Any other doubts, any clarifications?